I've been looking all over La Plata County for a place where the sky don't end, somewhere the neighbors ain't too close around me, and I don't gotta fix it up again. I found 3 acres up on Florida Mesa, where the La Plata Mountains kiss the sky. Brand new kitchen, bathrooms done up Tesla, and a 3-car garage for all my rides. 3 acres and a view, coffee on the deck when the morning breaks through. No Hojo way telling me what I can do, just me, the mountains, and nothing left to prove.